Welcome. Today in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and as you can see, we just successfully create the new folder on our device screen. By the same way, we can add here one more apps, but if you wanna add a couple of applications in one time, just click here to plus and select the apps with what you want to add to your folder. For example, this 7. Then just click to OK, and you can see that we just successfully added more apps into our folder. Here, we can also rename the folder. Just click to the name and enter the apps. And now, as you can see, we just successfully renamed this folder. We can also move it here on the screen. Just hold for a while, and we can drag it here, or we can create a new screen with this folder, and here we can also make it bigger if you want, or just smaller. And to remove some applications from here, just hold for a while and drag it to the home screen here if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you don't want to do that, just click here to the plus icon, and by this way unselect all of the applications, click here to OK, and now as can you see, we just have now here this application and this folder, and all of these applications, they stay here on our previously screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.